first news coming in from the Supreme Court and commenting on the floating bodies in the Ganga and decent cremation of COVID bodies. The Supreme Court said in an observation today it is a serious problem. The Supreme Court asked the petitioner to move the National Human Rights Commission, which had issued some directions in this regard. The petitioner moved the top court for framing policy to protect the rights of dead, stop overcharging for cremations, burials of those who died of COVID and ambulance services. The petitioner's lawyer argued for the need of a policy for the rights of dead and said some incidents like throwing bodies into the Ganga have been observed. A bench of Justices L. Nageswara and Hemant Gupta said go before the National Human Rights Commission. Well, let's go across to NDTV's Vaidya now for more. And Vaidya, tell us more about this petition and the Supreme Court therefore commenting and saying it's a serious issue, especially after bodies were found floating in the Ganga.
There are two issues and two petitions before two different benches. As far as Justice Nageswara and Hemant Gupta bench is concerned, the NGO had moved the Supreme Court saying that there should be proper guidelines. Court should direct the center and the state because overcharging of ambulances and also for cremation, even burial also, it's being overcharged. So the lawyer also pointed out how bodies are being thrown into the river Ganges. So immediately the judges remarked saying that yes, it's a serious problem, we know that. But court pointed out saying that the petition can move the National Human Rights Commission because it has issued some direction, and even the petitioner argued the same in the court. So finally, of course, apart from this observation, the court them to move to NHRC. The other issue before Justice Ashok Bhushan is concerned, there is a separate PAL which said that the court should appoint a probing agency so that which can inquire into the and fix responsibility of officers who are responsible for these bodies being floated in Ganges in UP and Bihar. But court declined to hear that, saying that petitioner should approach the concerned authority. Yes, of course, court expressing serious views on this whole issue.
All right, Vaidya, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So that's the Supreme Court's observations on this issue, calling it a serious problem.